In this video, I will show you how to create the VHS look in Premiere Pro. Okay, now in Premiere Pro, the first thing we have to do is grab the clip and drag it onto the timeline. Next, we're going to select the clip and go to the Lumetri color. And if you don't have the Lumetri color panel, you can go up to Window, and from here you can click onto the Lumetri color and you have it onto the workspace. Now from here, make sure you select the video and then go back to the Lumetri color as I mentioned earlier, and we're going to open the creative. From here, we're going to go down to faded film and increase it all the way to 100. And from here also, we can play around with the vibrance. I will reduce the vibrance. And also I'll reduce the saturation as well. Because as you know, the VHS look, it's not so saturated and the vibrance, it's not perfectly there. So that's why it's gonna look a little bit faded. Now you can also go to the basic corrections and from here play around a little bit as well. We can decrease the saturation a little bit more. And then also the temperature, I can increase it just a touch. And also from the exposure, we can play around. -1 or 2, it's fine. And the rest I'll leave it as it is. So that's before and that's after applying all these effects. Now the next thing we have to do is go to effects, and from here we have to type down noise, because as you know, the VHS look has a little bit of noise in it. So from there I'm gonna go down and find the noise from noise and grain, grab it and drag it over the video. Then I will go to the effects control, find the noise, and from here I will increase it a bunch. Let's say 20, it's fine. Let me just make it bigger and see what it looks like. Okay, I'll play it. Right, it looks cool. But there is one thing missing, and this one thing is the camera blur. Again, grab the camera blur and drop it over to the video. But now as you can see, we've got this red line. That means that the effect is too heavy on the system. So in this case, I'm gonna go to the camera blur and decrease it down to 2, I would say. And then what I'll do next is render the video so we can have a better preview of this clip. Okay, the video is rendered, so let's play it in full and see what it looks like. And that's how you can create this VHS look in Premiere Pro, people. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to do things in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.